What's good, YouTube, man? This your boy Daily Ducemadety back with another reaction video, man. Now today, I got a special reaction video for you all today. Fuck you, Tom. Sorry, no, man, but today, man, I got a reaction video to my boy Gocrazycele, man. This my brother right here, man. I met my mans a few years back, man, up in my neighborhood, man, up in Michigan and shit like that, dog. You feel me? This my homie right here. This my twin, bro. It's literally my twin, bro. I'm the dark-skinned twin. This my light-skinned twin. Swear to God, bro. I even went out to Carolina to go see my nigga, dog. Like, this shit real, nigga. This my brother right here. We finna react. My boy finally back on YouTube, man. My boy Cele finally back on YouTube, man. It been months. I say years. It been years since he done uploaded. You feel me? He been doing. Y'all can go look up on his Instagram, his TikTok, his Facebook. Bruh been blowing up. Bruh been doing his thing, bruh. For real, trust. Bruh been blowing up, bruh. And we been always been talking about doing this social media shit since we was younger type shit, you know. And now my nigga really popping this shit off, man. So yeah, man, I'm glad to see it, bro. I love his Instagram videos, shit like that, TikTok videos, all that shit, bro. That shit be doing numbers. Right now, my nigga got the YouTube thing back popping, man. So I'm finna react to my boy Cele, man. Today we finna be reacting to eating people's Doordash in the hood going wrong, man. That's what it's called. He a prankster, man. My nigga's a real prankster, bro. It's crazy, bro. Cause it's like, I grew up with the kid. And y'all know them little Walmart videos and shit. That nigga just tore Walmart, every Walmart down. Every Walmart in his area, I'm sure of it. My nigga that tore Walmart down. You hear me? So yeah, man. Y'all go subscribe to my boy. Y'all go follow him on all the social medias, man. Y'all know his name Gocrazycele, man. So shit, man. Probably ain't gonna have him in the I'm probably gonna have him in the links. Probably ain't gonna have him in the links, but man, y'all gonna know Gocrazycele, man. Y'all gonna see him on my channel, nigga. I'm sure of that too. Y'all gonna see Cele, bro. Y'all gonna see my nigga Cele turn up, me and my guy, man. So hey, man, this shit got me excited right now, man, to react to this shit. Hey, man, you already know what to do, man. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. We going up all 2022 with this shit, man. Yeah, let's get into this reaction video. So reaction video started right now.
Did you get the Doordash?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go, man.
I'm watching all my niggas' ass, bro. If you a YouTuber, bro, if you
Get out my yard, man. Get the fuck out my yard, boy.
I see you got ass. I'm watching your ass. I'm
get out my fucking yard, nigga.
I make sure my bad.
Look, you're wild, bro. You ain't tip, bro. You gotta learn how to tip more, bro. Bro, I'm saying you didn't, bro. Yo.
Like she on the wrist, yeah. They say, what's that, brother? Your chest, I told her next to your bitch list. I would have been at home, girl, and I was going nuts, yeah.
Think about it, bro. Brother name is Gocrazycele.
Didn't even need to go send me.
Gang. It's your boy Gocrazycele, man. As y'all see the bag, y'all know we about to do some crazy shit today. I'm about to be doing the Doordash prank, bro. Basically, what I'm doing today is I'm be eating people's shit, throwing it. I'm doing all type of stuff today. Only the people that don't tip, though. Like, if they tipping low, they're getting done good today. Like, period, bro. If you tipping bad and you don't tip at all, I'm telling you, I'm eating your food. So you better hope y'all be tipping, bro. Stay tuned to this video, man. I got a banger. Make sure y'all like, subscribe. I'm back on the YouTube grind, bro. I know I haven't dropped in damn near a year. A real YouTube video. I'm about to have bangers for y'all, bro. I'm telling y'all.
Right now.
Just stay tuned, bro. Y'all gonna see everything that goes. Stay tuned. We out, man. Man, right now, bro, we about to start the Doordash shit
y'all don't
right
gotta
now.
listen.
We're gonna do it to like what? Just 4
Keep it playing, man. Y'all young niggas that's in high
right
school.
now, I'm trying to really go to the ghetto, man.
We like to smoke.
That's where they don't tip at, man.
Like,
We in the high school right now, so. Right now, we just about to play the waiting game, man. Right now, already. One item, 7 miles, $8. Chick-fil-A.
You don't see plenty elders and shit like that telling you, man.
All right, man. We gonna try to just to see how it go, man. Stay tuned to this one. I'm about to accept this dash. Let's get lit, man. We on. It's on the floor.
I want to go to school, man. Get your education.
So right now, we in the line, man. We about to order whatever bro got. I'm gonna just get whatever they get. I'm not gonna spend like no $10 on no meal, bro. So basically, what I'm gonna get is just a little chicken sandwich or something. Then when I pull up, you feel me? I look Eat that big. We about to order right now, man. Stay tuned. We about to get a banger going. I'm not playing. Yo,
Hey,
look at all these motherfuckers.
hey,
waiting on
Sam,
DoorDash.
quality pressure, my baby.
That
I
is
know you
funny
gonna watch
shit,
this
bro.
fool again.
We about to get a banger already, boy. Oh, good.
I think it's doing what good outside, man.
All right, thank you. Oh,
My hand. Please go home.
and I need.
You had another thing? Oh.
Can I get sweet and sour sauce? Did you get the DoorDash?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go, ma'am. You got,
Oh, shit.
Stole her food.
ma'am. You guys didn't tip, and
That's not my problem.
okay, but you guys didn't tip,
I don't goddamn way you to step on my food.
Damn.
ma'am. I'm telling you,
Where she go?
it's right. It's a prank, ma'am. It's a prank. It's a
Hey,
prank. It's a
yo.
prank. It's a prank.
Yeah, because I was about to throw this shit at you.
What's up, man? How you doing?
Yeah,
You the one that ordered
yeah,
the DoorDash?
so
Man,
yeah.
you didn't tip.
Grandma
You did
messed up, man.
straight.
She talking about, I was about to throw that at you. Throw that shit at you, boy. Better
Well,
watch yourself.
The fuck is that?
Oh, they got the angle. Look at the angle.
Bruh, what the fuck, man? Why'd you do that?
The camera had unfocused.
Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that, bro? I did tip you.
Didn't tip me.
Yes, I did. I just tipped you right now. That's what I said my dollar. I just sent you a tip.
Oh my.
Dog,
Well, good thing, man. Well, look.
See
Here you go, my boy. Here you
that
go.
nigga, I'm working on it. What?
My nigga, hey. This is my food. This
my
is my
nigga, I
food.
was
Hey.
ready, bro. It's like, nigga, I was ready. Oh, that's funny. I'll give you that, though, nigga.
I'm on YouTube. My cameraman in the car recording right now, man. Hey, you wasn't playing about that shit, nigga. I
That's like,
said,
nigga, I was waiting on you to say something. Like, nigga, I did something.
hey, I'm talking shit, man. Be safe, man. Keep the tip on that, bro. Hey, be safe, man. Have a good one.
Keep hanging with them niggas, bro.
Man, y'all ain't tip. Y'all niggas need to get y'all shit together, bro. For real.
Gotta watch those niggas, gang.
For real, for real.
For real, for real.
That's your food?
It appears this relationship has run out of gas. Let's see if we can do anything.
And you didn't even know if I was gonna be into. That's what's crazy, bro. When I got canned, I was gonna be in
For real?
That's fucked up.
Hey, come here, bro. Let me.
Look at who picked up.
Damn. He like, I got the cash.
Come here. Hey, bro. Big bro.
He's walking.
Bro, come here. I'm gonna wait on you to come out.
They all in the whip laughing at his family.
Hey, she
Laugh.
about
They
to-
like you vlogging, man.
Yeah. Hey,
Broccoli
let me
boy.
know, bro, cause
That's so lit.
he just said no.
Loud, tell her.
Go tell that nigga it's a prank. Keep recording him. Shit. Hey.
I wish I would have kept that vlog still. At Murder Beach, man, I wish I would have kept that vlog,
I need
man.
him to come back out here.
I'm
Bro.
gonna get back out there. I was just out there in Carolina. We gonna do some
Yeah, let me go
vlogs,
ahead and
nigga.
get y'all food. I need him to see this shit though. Goddamn.
And I'm like, what the fuck is he talking about? You're in the fight. What the fuck?
This nigga Chris, man. Yeah, hurry up, run in that motherfucker before you come out with some crazy shit. Your name John? Yeah, man, the tip is trash, man. I'm not gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie, the tip is trash, man.
No, the disrespectful
saying
part,
this.
bro. That
You
he's
ain't tipping
jumping
right,
on
man,
the
so-
food, bro. It's already disrespectful.
Bro, I'm sorry, bro. You
Throwing
ain't
it
tip,
on
bro.
the ground, my nigga.
I'm just doing my job.
Blatantly disrespectful. Then you gonna
You
stump
did
on
not
that
tip me,
man,
bro. Look, bro, you didn't tip me, bro. Look, you're wildin', bro. You ain't tip, bro. You gotta learn how to tip more, bro. Bro, I'm saying you didn't, bro. Yo, look, it's a prank, bro. It's a prank, bro. I'm playing, bro. It's a prank, bro. Your food is right here, bro. Chill, bro. God damn, bro. It's a prank, bro. Chill. Yo. Bro, it's a prank, bro.
See, these niggas
My
lucky
bad,
it's a
bro.
prank
My
sale.
bad. It's a prank, bro. I didn't mean to do that.
Oh, my bad, bro.
My bad, bro. My bad. That nigga ain't playing about this food.
My baby. You ain't nigga lucky, it's a prank, my nigga. I'm trying to tell you, I get skied up so quick, bro, and be on my way to Carolina in that van, bro, in that truck or on that plane, boy, start playing. Go find. We can go right back to all them lows. Tighten up. For real, I be playing.
Yo, man, Doordash.
I just don't play about my niggas. Boy.
Come grab it real quick. Come grab it. I'm gonna respect you. Cause I'm trying to make sure this is the right one.
Them niggas know.
So how did you 2 weeks? Your Honor, I was walking down the street, minding my own business, and then he just came stalking her.
I think your pa's about to grab it.
I told him he had to get out the car. He wanted to talk to me.
Hold on, do I give it to you or him? All right. There you go, bro. You good?
Hey, Sil, you fucked up. You fucked up. You burnt, boy. I got a quick cuss on OG in the crib.
I feel like y'all could have tipped a little better, so. Y'all didn't tip me, so.
Man, you burnt, my nigga.
Too, bro. You don't always get no tip.
Well, that's enough. Well, I don't play that. I usually.
Hold on, bro. First of all, you don't know what's in somebody's pocket, bro. Somebody probably gonna get.
I don't care about all that.
Hold up, what the
You didn't tip me.
Hold on, why you get
the sons don't even be reacting, but the dads
I don't know, bro. That's
yeah,
your
you know what?
bro.
That was stupid, bro. Go on, bro.
How was that stupid, bro?
Hold up.
He's showing these niggas, bro. He back, bro.
What you mean? Get out your
Bro,
yard.
you in my yard, nigga. Get out my yard. What the fuck? Get out my yard, bro.
Bro,
Get the fuck out my nigga. Hold up,
bro.
If I'm gonna beat this young boy ass, I'm gonna shoot this boy ass. Get out my yard, nigga.
Bro,
what the fuck is you talking about, little boy? What you talking about, nigga?
What are you saying, sir? You didn't tip me, and that's all I'm saying. Is maybe you could have tipped a little bit more, man.
Nigga, I always took
this young boy ass.
Hey, bro.
I didn't know that, bro. You didn't.
Well, why did you pick up the order,
Black
homie?
dads,
Bro, my
I'm
bad,
telling
bro.
y'all, bro. Black fathers
I just need something,
shit,
bro.
my nigga.
Something,
they
a
be
dollar.
bro, but I done seen so many black niggas like
you just threw a bag, an empty
at
fucking
family
bag
reunions
to
and
my
all kind of
motherfucking
shit. You
son,
about to whoop on the nigga ass, bro. Niggas don't not be playing about their family, bro.
You just said for real, bro.
Nigga really flash.
You just
Like,
said for real.
you see grown men flash, a black man,
You
you
didn't
better
tip
move
me,
out the
bro.
way
That's
for
all
him
I'm
to do his
saying.
thing, my
Like I
nigga.
said, you should have took the
Yo
fucking
ass
order,
be
man.
ran over too, nigga.
So what is the
Bro, I
problem?
don't know what's going on with Charlotte, bro, nigga. We from Compton, nigga. We ain't got no time for this gay ass shit, bro. The fuck,
Yeah.
man? Get out my yard, man. Get the fuck out my yard, boy.
Big Compton, nigga.
Nigga,
Yeah,
get out my
no
fucking
play.
yard, nigga.
Bro, chill, Supreme. I do YouTube. Calm down. Your shit right here, bro. Calm your ass down.
Look at the sun
I do YouTube, bro. You was
smiling,
getting
though,
pranked, my
laughing,
nigga.
bro.
The cameraman
Bro,
is right there recording your ass, bro.
right now.
He talking about
I
doing
wish
this
I
shit.
could pause this shit right now.
Give
His
a
ass, where was
motherfucking
his
hug,
ass at when he stomped on your food, man?
God damn it, you ain't about to shoot me, motherfucker.
Hold on, mama, hold on. Let me finish this quick reaction. My bad.
It's still fresh.
Ah,
I'm saying it's still fresh though. You don't want that?
Yeah, drunk that girl too.
Then you got the chicken and all that. You know you don't want the drink. Okay. It's still fresh.
It's still fresh. You know what I'm saying?
I don't think that was my order.
That wasn't short. Oh,
No, that's not.
okay. Here you go. I'm playing.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie in this camera.
It's a prank. I'm sorry.
Oh my God, you guys.
I look
I do YouTube.
good
I was
right
just fucking
now.
around, bro.
Oh shit, man, this man so burnt out for that. Oh shit. Man, there y'all have it, bro. Y'all got my reaction to eating people Doordash in the hood going wrong, man, by my boy Gocrazycele. Y'all make sure y'all go tap in on his Instagram, his Facebook, shit, and his TikTok, bro. Them main three right there. Yeah, and his YouTube. Y'all know, of course, go tap in on this video and shit, but them main four right there, my nigga going crazy right now, bro. He really turned in his city, my nigga, for real. I gotta pop some shit off for real, too, because really, I've been thinking about doing comedian videos and shit like that, prankster videos, too, you know what I'm saying, for months, but you know, I'm proud of my nigga, because he done found him a cameraman, he done found him a team behind his shit, man. He going over this shit, man. Y'all boys go tune in with my boy. Y'all stay tuned for more videos and shit like that. I got bangers coming soon for y'all, you feel me? Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And man, we out, man. I love y'all boys and girls, man. Top Mafia, man. Y'all know what the fuck going on.